This is my DB990 449 engine, nearly finished rebuild. There's one or two little bits and pieces left to do on it before it's ready for a test fire, and then it'll be dismantled partially again and it will be all painted in its final chocolate colour before married back up to the frames. The problem that I've got is a total lack of space and cover to rebuild it. So what I'm going to have to do is make a frame again on casters like this, but a heavier one, to be able to put the tombstone engine and gearbox casings together in here so that I can move them around and get jobs done on them, because they're going to have to be able to get pushed outside while I'm working on the back axles and the final drives. This has had crankshaft regrind, rebore, new pistons, rings, all the seals, new valve train, head done, valve seats cut. You can see new water pump. I try to keep the costs low, but unfortunately it's no good skimping, putting it back together with all bits in. You're expected to do a day's work afterwards. So there you go. Hope you come back to see it later on when it's nearly finished, and I'll hopefully put some more videos up of the castings going together on the frame that I've made. There's the empty gearbox casing there. I've got a replacement gearbox because mine unfortunately was all stripped out inside, gears worn off and everything. So yeah, the DPA pump here, totally stripped out right back to the bare casing, all new seals front and back in turn. Top cover was taken off, new seals put in here, new seals in here, everything put back to where it was. All the back end, all the filters in the back end were changed, the new vane pump put in. The only thing I didn't do was take the head to bits, but I did check it for wear, and that's why I didn't take it to bits, because everything looked absolutely fine and it was relatively clean for a 50-year-old pump inside. Just wanted a good wash out and everything was changed in it.